So another start to a beautiful day in Peru. Just waiting for Fernando. Oh, Fernando's waiting for me. Yeah, we've been super busy, day and night, because we just come home and just start talking about work. Anyway, I'm Paul Jolley. Nice to see you if the first time you're here. English guy in Peru, just hanging out with this guy. And I'm in the beautiful city of Lima in Peru. Been super busy all day today. We started super early at 7, straight into meetings, straight into work. And now it's about 2:30. We just come for a bit of lunch. It's one of the guys' birthdays, so the family have come together and we're going for lunch over here in this beautiful restaurant. Peruvian food has got to be one of the best foods in the world. It's a fusion of all different kinds of foods, and the fruit and the vegetables here in Peru are unbelievable, unbelievable. This is where the potato comes from. I'm English, I love potatoes. There's like loads of different kinds of potatoes you just would not believe. I haven't even discovered the chocolate and the Peruvian cigars yet, but that's to come. Apparently they have their own kind of liquor, which is like grappa. I love grappa, so I think it's called pico. So I'll be trying that because it's his birthday tonight, so maybe we try. This is the Peru apartment. So basically we come home from work about 9 o'clock and we come back and start work again. But it's a nice environment and we're getting plenty of work done. What we do is every night we prepare our food for the next morning so we can have a good healthy breakfast in the morning. You should see the fruit here, it's unbelievable, unbelievable. We're having pineapple tea. Fernando's just chopped up the pineapple and this thing. I've been told I can't do the chopping because I cut my finger. The knife was sharp, man. Here's Fernando, look. So we're having some ham and cheese and stuff, and then later we'll come out and just hang out here. Computer. We might watch a bit of TV if we get round to it, but lovely apartment. So this is the main area. Through here is a double bed, nice double bed. Fernando's here at the moment, but he's going in about 2 weeks. There's another bed here. So this is a double and there's a single. So again, someone if you want to come and crash, you know, there's plenty of room. Toilets, very nice, clean toilets, very nice. Get an actual toilet, not like in China. So there's also a little secret room. So we go back into the kitchen, which is beautiful kitchen, lots of appliances, lots of microwaves, and it goes through here to, got the lights off. So this is like a laundry room, and deep fridge, a dryer, everything, and then it goes through here. And there's a little bedroom here, look at that. It's an awesome little bedroom with, this must be for a maid, but the bed's quiet, it's okay. Got a toilet and a shower. Need to fix this up a bit, but yeah, toilet and a shower, it's beautiful. So, lovely place to live, outside in Peru. It's summer every day, so I'm just saying it's beautiful here. Take it easy. So I'm Paul Jolley. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel, because I'm awesome, why not? Take it easy, guys.